Welcome to this Brand Bite Size. In this video, we're going to talk about the consumer duty. The consumer duty is the 12th principle of the Financial Conduct Authority's Principles for Business. It was introduced with effect from the 31st of July 2023. It requires firms to act to deliver good outcomes for retail customers. It builds on previous FCA initiatives such as treating customers fairly by seeking to establish a higher standard of protection for retail clients. It also builds on Principle 6, which requires firms to pay due regard to the interest of their customers and treat them fairly, and Principle 7, which requires communications with customers to be clear, fair and not misleading. Under the duty, there are 3 obligations imposed on firms, which are known as cross-cutting obligations. These are that the firm must act in good faith towards retail customers, avoid causing foreseeable harm to retail customers, and enable and support retail customers to pursue their financial objectives. The duty also included 4 outcomes which firms are required to meet in the course of their dealings with retail customers. These are the products and services outcome, which requires consumers to be provided with products and services which meet their needs and behave as they expect them to. The price and value outcome, which requires products and services provided to consumers to represent fair value for money. The customer understanding outcome, which requires consumers to be provided with information which meets their needs, is likely to be understood and allows them to make decisions that are effective, timely and properly informed. And the customer support outcome, which requires customers to be provided with support which meets their needs and allows them to use their products and services as reasonably anticipated. The rules apply to both manufacturers, the firms which ultimately provide the products, and distributors, the firms which sell those products to retail consumers. The FCA also introduced a new rule to the individual code of conduct to coincide with the consumer duty, and this was that individuals must act to deliver good outcomes for retail customers. We hope you enjoyed this video brought to you by Brand Bite Size. See you next time.